Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Shaylee. Currently this morning I'm looking at fun activities for Rory and I to do. We have a really exciting trip coming up at the end of the month and I'm the one who's in charge of planning the activities. So right now I'm just looking through and I'm not gonna tell you guys where we're going exactly quite yet. So right now I'm kind of just researching some really fun things to do and I'm just so excited for this trip. It's gonna be so fun. So it is during the World Cup break the girls have for the WNBA, and so basically it's a week we have off and she wanted to go somewhere. This is like our trip of the year, so right now just planning for that. Okay, it's been another hour. I did change. I wasn't feeling the white top. But I've been going through my email list for my trip. If you guys are new here, I'm hosting a group trip with Trovatrip, and this trip will be April 25th through May 1st, 2027, and we are going to Bali, Indonesia. I do have access to like the status of the emails, so like where people want to go, the dates, how much they're willing to spend, female, male, and how old you guys are. So I pretty much can see all of what was on y'all's surveys if you went to that link. If you guys want to sign up, just go to this link here or in the description below. Hey you guys, so it's been a few hours. I did a lot of work and I also made our itinerary for our trip I told you about. Right now, Rory and I are going to go to PetSmart, and then tonight we have the Spider-Man movie at 7:30. Yeah! Hey you guys, we are back home and we actually just went to PetSmart and to grab some dinner really quick. We saw some baby kittens at PetSmart and they were so adorable. I wish they had puppies, but they didn't. And then we went to get some Five Guys for dinner and then we just Ubered back home. I showered, as you can see, and we are gonna go see the Spider-Man movie. And it's not even out yet. Rory pre-bought the tickets for an extra day early, so we're gonna go see that at 7:30. We'll let you guys know how it is after. All right, we're back home and the movie was so good. 11 out of 10. I got all the emotions and I don't want to spoil it, so I can't say anything about it other than it was really good. So go watch it. Right now, I just need to brush my teeth and head to bed. It is the next day and I have been doing a lot of work this morning. I had a meeting call about a few hours ago and now I have another one in 30 minutes. Right now I have a live that I'm wanting to watch in a few minutes, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, before I get on my meeting, I'm gonna open some packages. Okay, let's see. Yay! The first package is from a brand called Eclectic and they sent me some of their jewelry. We have some silver hoops that I've been wanting, and then I also got sent this really pretty charm bracelet. It's giving David Yurman. And then lastly, we got these double cuffs. The next package is from Amazon and I got the mirror looking phone case. I've been wanting one of these mirror phone cases for vlogging. And then the last brand is Colorescience and they sent me 4 of their products. I picked these out on my ShopMy and I'm so excited to try them out. You guys know that I take my skincare very seriously, so they sent me their moisturizer, their collagen boost face and neck treatment, their firm and repair cream, and then their one-step cleanser. I cannot wait to try that. Thank you so much, Colorescience. Hey you guys, it is 4 o'clock and I finally finished working. We're gonna go to the gym, get on the treadmill and get some steps in. Right now I am going to do my hair for tonight's game and then just get back on my laptop and edit a little bit. And right now I need to do my hair. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave it down tonight, so I'm gonna crimp it and then I won't do my makeup for like another hour or so. Right now I have been loving my bedhead wavy crimper. This is the Wave Artist. So I'm going to part my hair in two. We'll heat this up and get my hair going. I did not wash my hair from my workout. That's also what makes the crimps stay in a lot better, is when your hair is like a little bit dirtier. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to use the TRESemmé Extra Hold hairspray. I'm gonna pick out my outfit right now. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna wear tonight, but let's go see what I have. Okay, so I do have these aloe trousers that I want to wear. Usually it's pretty cold in the arena and also it's been super cloudy outside, so I'm probably gonna wear these with my Nike Vomeros. I'm obsessed with these. I love the metallic on them. I do have this tank. I actually made this one and I can wear a jacket with that. I have this denim one, which is cute. I did just wear her jersey, so I'm not gonna wear that. For jackets, I have my jean jacket and then my brown leather jacket. I don't wear this one just because it's orange and it's small. I like to wear red and blue for her games. I do really like this hoodie. This is a WNBA Essentials hoodie and it just has a orange hood. So I think I'm gonna try this hoodie on with my aloe pants. Okay, so I'm actually really loving this. I love that this hoodie is a little bit more cropped so you can see the aloe sign on the pants. Can you guys see my shoes? I don't know if you can see them in the mirror, but because of this hood, I might put my hair up. I'm still debating. I'm also going to put back on my silver hoops from Eclectic. I decided we are gonna go a no makeup look tonight, and I'm literally just putting on 3 products. Well, 4 counting my lipstick. We are gonna go in with the ColourPop Brow Boss, which I just did. I'm going to use the Tower 28 SPF. This is a tinted sunscreen, so we will put that on just to cover some blemishes and to have sunscreen on, and then a mascara. Okay, there's the mascara. Also, tonight I might just throw my hair up in a messy ponytail. That is what it'll look like for tonight. It is 6:30 and I'm about to leave in about 20 minutes for the game. I will see you guys after.
Just do the maxi. I like a classic bag. Gotta keep it classy. Defense!
It is 11 o'clock now and we got back from the game. We got the dub. Right now I'm going to edit a video. It is pretty late, so hopefully it'll just be like 30 minutes and then I'll see you guys in the morning. Today is August 1st and I do want to sit down and write in my journal some goals I have for the month. In this last month, I've had a lot of brands email me and DM me for gifting collabs, and I've just really enjoyed what I've been doing the last few months. My number one thing right now is more engagement from you guys. So whether that's, comments, shares, saves. So after I make lunch, I'm gonna do that for a little bit. So this is my journal. It is a daily gratitude journal and it just has some things that you can fill out. And then right here on Free Thoughts, I'm just gonna write all my followers on each account and try to just make a goal at the end of the month to gain followers. Last week I did write video ideas I had, so I am doing some of those this month. And then I'm also gonna write some dream brands I have for the month. Saturday, but it is a working day. I have a lot of things to get done and it's me and Princess today and tomorrow. So Princess has been over here on this couch this whole morning, all snuggled up on the couch. Hi, baby. Hey you guys, it's Shaylee and I just wanted to send a personal invitation to you. I'm hosting a trip with Trovatrip April 25th through May 1st in Bali, Indonesia. I would love for you guys to come, and if you're interested, please go to the link in my bio and fill out that survey. We will be staying in 4-star hotels and limited single rooms are available. What's included are the 6 breakfasts, 2 lunches, and 3 dinners. Activities include the Bali swing, Sacred Monkey Forest, Ubud Market, Canto Lampo Waterfall, not sure if I'm saying that right, water purification ceremony, Rumah Desa adventure, Rumah Desa cooking demonstration, Taman Ayun visit, Tanah Lot sunset, Balinese massage, and sunset cocktail. We will have a guide throughout the whole trip, so they will guide us through each activity, and transportations are also included. What's not included are the flights, extra food, extra spending. The whole itinerary is already placed, so we have day-to-day what we will be doing. I've never been to Bali. This has always been a bucket list trip for me, so I'm super excited to interact with you guys. My goal is to get into another culture and learn more about it, and also to have fun. So you do have time to plan if you guys are interested in this. I would love for you guys to join us on this group trip. Make sure you guys click that link in my bio, fill out that survey if you're interested, and I'll see you in Bali. It's been a bit. I just finished editing my Trovatrip reel and it turned out so good. I'm probably gonna post that probably tomorrow, so it will already be up by the time you guys see this video. But I did get a package from Tatcha and I'm about to unbox it. I have not opened it yet, so let's see what they sent me. I was not expecting this big of a box. Oh, no way. It says, welcome to the Tatcha family. We can't wait to see how you help us shape the next chapter of our story. And they sent me some products. This shares how their journey began, and then on the back it shows all the products they sent me. Yay! Wait, these are so cute. Okay, so some purple marble Tatcha clips. Okay, I'm first going to take a picture for my story and post that. Okay, let's start off with their rice wash. I actually love their cleanser and their moisturizer, so we got the purple bottle. And then we also got it with the dewy skin cream, and this is one of their best sellers. How cute is this top? So on the top, it's like the spoon looking thing. You take it off like that and you scoop the lotion like that. Oh wait, this is new, unless I just haven't heard about it. Oh wow. Okay, this is their luminous dewy skin mist. Wait, this must be new because I have not heard about this. I would try it, but I have makeup on, so I'll show you guys later. The silk sunscreen. We love sunscreen. Why do I feel like this is new too? Or maybe I just have not been updated with Tatcha. And then lastly is their famous lip mask. I have the mini one. I love, and it also has the spoon on the top as well. Perfect. Shout out to Tatcha. You guys are the best. It is 7 o'clock and I'm just gonna watch a movie the rest of the night and edit this vlog, so I will see you guys in the morning. It is actually 2 o'clock right now and I have been on my grind working. I'm setting up my UGC portfolio on Backstage, and it helps you find jobs through UGC and content creation. I also do have my UGC portfolio, so I'm trying to get into that as well. My portfolio is looking really good. It shows you like your profile strength and I'm 10 out of 10, so but right now I'm gonna go through and see if I can find any UGC jobs. All right, we got some packages. Let's open them up together. First package, we have some jewelry from Hello Ice. I got to choose out a few pieces, so I picked out these silver hoops. Those are so cute. Let's try them on. I've been really wanting some thinner ones and I love these. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these ones a lot. So these are small gold hoops with a diamond on them. Those are beautiful. And the next package is from PROMIX. They sell a bunch of supplements and it's just a nutrition brand. Ooh, this This is salmon and cod liver oil, a dietary supplement. So these are the soft gels. This is the PROMIX Deblow Prebiotic and Crisp Hibiscus. Wow. And then I got the creatine. Yes! Clutch. And then this is the electrolyte drink mix and salted pineapple. That sounds so good. Thank you so much to PROMIX. I cannot wait to try these. I will definitely be using all of them. So I'm on FaceTime with Rory right now. She's visiting her grandma, so she's not here, but she sent me some gifts for National Girlfriend Day, which was yesterday. So I'm gonna show you guys what she sent me. So she got me my favorite snack. This is the Dot Pretzels and Parmesan garlic. I'm obsessed with True Fruit, and she got me the milk and white chocolate frozen fresh raspberries. Our candle just ran out, so she got us a new one. This is in vanilla. Got some cookie dough so I can make for tonight. She got me a bonnet so I can keep my hair healthy. She knows I'm on my hair health journey, so she got me a light for filming. And then if you guys watch my videos, you know I love Bloom. And she got me this pack of 4 Bloom Pop and strawberry cream. Good job, babe. You did good. All right, taste test of the strawberry cream prebiotic soda. Definitely tastes like strawberry cream. It's not my favorite. I like the other ones we've tried. It's still good though.